Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can add photos to Facebook very easily. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write your comments under this video. So let us get down to our interesting topic. Open the Facebook app on your device. Next, in order to post a photo of some sort, you're going to need to start. When you're on your profile, go to the main Facebook page here. So it's done here. You can, of course, do it with your page here, but I'm going to show you a quicker option. So when you're on the main Facebook page, at the top you have a line like this. Click on it. And here you'll need, in order to add some photos, you'll need to click right here on this option, Photo Video. Then you select absolutely any photos that you like. And then you click Done. After that, also here you will be able to add absolutely any text at the top. You'll also be able to add some maybe emoji if you need to. Also, after you do that, you can check, for example, geolocation. Also, friends, you'll be able to add a person in the mention, add another photo, and so on. After you have done all the manipulations that you would like to do, you will need, in order to publish a photo, just click right here on the word Post and just wait for your post to be uploaded to your feed page. That's it, folks. That's how you can easily add photos to Facebook. Hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.